Oh, hello. Sorry guys, my previous stream was problematic, so I had to end it and start a new one. Ba-da-da-bum-bum.
You've got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
Wonder where the other guys. Ba-da-bum-bum, ba-da-bum-bum-bum. On the roof. What the fuck is happening here, man? What is this?
Alright, you're good to go. Sending you back in. Intel indicates nearby hostile surveillance equipment. I'll tag, you bag. Good job. Now start tracking the next one. Nice work. Looks like you found some solid intel.
Why so many weird creatures are here? Why? Oh my god, man.
Try again.
Die,
Side's
idiots.
been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
Alright, GG's. Ba-dum. Ba-da-da-bum, ba-da-bum. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. HP says, lovely solos of Battlefield 6. You like it? I have tried other game modes. I mean,
Window's coming up. You got
the squad.
hardcore shooters
It's really
inbound.
unplayable.
Consider everyone down there a threat.
Unplayable. At least you can handle with 1v1. Sometimes you die, but it's at least it's fun. Not complicated. So I think I also like solo. Let's go to this tower. Let's see and how it goes. It's kind of far, no?
All right, you're good to go for deployment.
It's really far.
Post up.
Probably other guys are gonna reach there faster than me. Let us go to London. Red line maybe?
Danger points. Head on a civil.
FYI, missions are up. Listen up. The enemy's setting charges on your comms. Stop them before it's too late. Way to bring the pain. There's some upside coming your way.
You failed, buddy. Oh my goodness. You didn't miss this time.
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
Yeah, come on, man. I just didn't love. I just didn't pick. Oh, couldn't see him, man, all the time.
Cock and lock. Head
Well,
back in.
we deserved that. We deserved that.
Intel indicates nearby hostile surveillance equipment. I'll tag, you bag. Enemy landing near you. Better pay. One down. Zero in on the next one and move fast.
Are you fucking kidding?
Toxic blaze inbound. Watch your route.
I really love this game's adrenaline.
Good work. You cleared the objective and dumped the target.
Request smoke in my grid point.
Roger that. Stand by. You've got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Come on now.
I need all the intel you can get on the hostiles. Secure as many beacons as you can.
You canceled it, right?
Listen, the bad guys have you on their radar. It's do or
No.
die.
Oh yeah. Let him come.
You've got the beacon. Now keep it slow. Moving too fast breaks the calibration.
He's getting shot.
That beacon yielded serious gains. Way to deliver. Good, they're off your backs.
Oh my god.
Heads up. Your grid's about to be compromised by NXC.
Oh, no ammo? Are you fucking kidding? No weapon? No, man. Was loaded, not reloaded? So bad, man.
Your side's been wiped out. We'll get it
Oh my god. What a mistake. I picked from the ground. I thought we don't have to reload the weapon. So bad, man. Nah, that's not a GG, man. That's a bad BB. That's BB, not GG. Bad game, BG. Batman. Batman. What a mistake, man. We had the control. That was our game. Dun 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 dun. I swear I was very overconfident. I was very confident. Sari, hace los deberes. ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo? Sara, te dije que hicieras los deberes, ¿vale? Hace mal tiempo para ir al vial, ya está lloviendo. Haz las clases. Vamos a Viale por la mañana. Mañana vamos y a las 12 volvemos. Hi, good. ¿Ah? Sara, mira, tú tienes una cosa que no me gusta, ¿eh? Fue una buena idea, me gustó, pero hoy no podemos ir, hace mal tiempo. Daran, 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 daran.
DZ approaching. Those are hostiles jumping in, so find them and smoke check them. Updates to follow.
Sure. Let's go.
You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
Located open vehicle.
Hard zone, right?
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Where is he? No, this guy is a bot. There is no way he's a real player.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Reference grid. Needs immediate fire support.
Roger that. Here it comes.
We finished the ammo.
You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing. You've got hostiles closing in on your comms. Engage and eliminate the enemy.
It's kind of far. We don't fear anyone. We're just pushing. Come here. Is he gonna come? Oh wait, I have to kill him now. Oh no. Okay. Everything's under control. How did you go up?
Way to bring the pain. There's some upside coming your way.
Give it to me. Why too far? You want me to die to someone else? Ba-da-ba-da-bum. Let's play this way.
Burn zone is closing in. You'll be compromised if you
Bring
don't
it
move
to
it.
my position.
Roger, on the way.
Where?
Locator beacons are marked. Lock them down and calibrate their location.
Targeted already? Come on, man.
Looks like they're coming for you. Stay alert. Watch your pace. The calibration won't work if the beacon is moving too fast. Good. We're off your backs.
Alright, GG. I shouldn't have picked like that.
It was a no-go. Regroup and don't let up.
We're gonna kill this guy this time.
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Custom weapon crate marked.
We have one more here.
Hostiles are making a move in your area. Show them how we feel about that. Okay, that mission was a no-go. Now regroup and don't let up.
Yeah, come on, man. They're just renting all the time. In every house, there's more than one guy. Come on.
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
This game looks like PUBG. Holy moly. Nah, all good. But yeah, it's really annoying, man. Nobody is moving. Everyone is in the houses, on the roofs, corners, just waiting for someone to pass. Viene, mi amor. No tenemos coche, no tenemos paraguas. Ya, pero es muy chungo cuando vamos andando, Sara. Tienes que entender la situación, babacığım. Sí, pero como fuimos al mercado y al salir ya estaba lloviendo. Cuando llueve, no sabes cuándo llueve, Sara. Está nublado y yo no quiero mojarme, ¿sabes? Es incómodo. This time it's going to be different. Slows down, bleed out. Slows down, bleed out. Huh. This is mostly helping teammates, man. It doesn't have, it doesn't benefit for. Baram bam 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 baram baram bam. Let's go, soldier.
Approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunting.
Can I go there?
You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
Just calling it.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
Request FMV over my position.
Roger that. Stand by.
He doesn't see me, right? Oh my god! I was friendly, man! Fucking idiot! Man, how do you shoot through the wire?
Headed back in.
Oh my god, man, you're so ugly. Why did you do that to me? I was not even shooting. So ugly, man.
Let's rally on that RV point. Move!
That's really so ugly. You shouldn't be able to shoot from there. I didn't know you could even shoot from there.
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Anyone else? Want some bullet in the face? Come on.
That is a solid job. Way to go.
Give it to
Heavy
me.
knives on my position.
Roger that. Stand by.
Oh.
Reference waypoint. Move there now.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Where are you going?
Your mission is up. It's marked on your map.
This weapon is disgusting. I know you have an LMG, which sucks. Okay, bro, good job. You took me between 2 5 teams.
It's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Bam, badam, bam, bam, bam.
Drop zone's coming up. Enemy shooters closing on target area. Don't let any of them get out of there alive. I'll send updates as needed.
Here we go.
All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Request FMV over my position.
Drop. Stand by.
Oh, you're alive, man. How are you alive?
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in. There's a stockpile in the PA. Locate bolt cutters to breach the weapons cache and secure it before the enemy has the chance.
Reload, reload. I'm busy. Watch out. Run!
Hostile dropping near your location. Put those bolt cutters to work.
Go, go, go.
That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel, use it. You found the weapons cache. Load up. You earned it.
Of course I earned it.
Hey, that's a big win with that intel. Keep it up.
I can't see anyone.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Mark, fucking send it!
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
Did it work?
Request immediate support here.
Yeah, you got it. On the way. Detected locator beacons in the area.
Go fast, go fast.
Secure
They're
and
gonna come for
calibrate
me.
them. You've got the beacon. Now keep it slow. Moving
All
too
right.
fast breaks the calibration. got a lot of targets out there. That beacon yielded serious gains. Way to deliver. You've got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Position mark, send it.
Roger, on the way.
Wow, just one.
Check your mission.
Free loot.
You need to target enemy comms in the area. Pick up some explosives.
Oh shit,
and
they're
shut it
coming.
down. Listen, the bad guys have you on their radar. It's do or die.
Hopefully he's on far. He's far. I got it.
Defend that position now.
Oh, perfect.
Request
Solid
overwatch.
job.
Grid is
Way to
indicated.
go. I read you. Here it comes.
Contact. Enemy infantry engaging. Bounce over to that location.
You are mission complete. Download started. Now watch your six until the drive's ready.
Get to that RV point. Move.
Bring that data over to the exfil point on the double. Drone inbound. I don't have any more missions for you, but that doesn't mean it's safe out there. Keep your guard up.
Oh my god.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunting. All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay.
Request FMV over my position.
I read you. Here it comes.
Enemy contact in my AO.
Mission's updated. Review them when you can.
GG's.
Check your missions. Enemy has you on their radar. You gotta cut off the signal by taking out their sensors ASAP. Good job. Now start tracking the next one. Objective cleared. I can't target in on you now.
My loadout.
I need all the intel you can get on the hostiles. Secure as many beacons as you can. You didn't land this mission. Reset and refocus.
Ay, ay, ay.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in.
Stupid mistakes, man. I'm committing.
That heat's coming in fast. You've got the intel. Use it.
Overwatch requested on my grid.
Roger. On the way. The battle's just heating up. Keep your head in the fight.
Where did I die? Right here.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
Sputna, nice to see you again, buddy.
out enemy comms. Now stay alert for incoming hostiles.
Get away here.
Major damage and left the enemy scrambling. Excellent work. Intel indicates nearby hostile surveillance equipment. I'll tag, you bag.
Sure, sure.
Enemy is gunning for you. Watch yourself. Good work. Cleared the objective and dumped the target on you. Good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find.
Anyone else wants to die? Don't be shy, just come.
position!
Shotgun ammo.
No restrictions, clear hot, sparking now.
Roger. On the way.
He's fast. What the fuck is that?
Mission board is clear. Neutralize threats and stay in the fight. Nothing you can't handle. Half the fight's behind you. Don't let up.
No fucking way, no! So stupid, dude.
Side's been wiped out. You'll get it next time.
Dun 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 dun. So many stupid stuff happening, man. Dun 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 dun. Let me reset my game. Ba-da-bum, bum, bum, ba-da-bum. Dun, 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 dun. La 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 la. Dun, 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 dun. What's my battle pass level? I don't know. I bought the battle pass, but I don't understand really well. The last guy did too much damage to me, man. I couldn't even shoot him. Last guy did too much damage.
Get ready. Approaching the jump window. Locate and eliminate all enemy shooters deploying across the area. All support in depth, so stay alert. You are good to go to deploy. Call it.
No te pedí mucho, Sara. Look at this loot. Nobody landed here? Ooh! This guy gotta be cheating, man. This guy gotta be cheating. He wasn't even seeing me
All right.
while he was
good to
shooting.
go. Sending you back in.
There is no way. There is no way. Are you kidding me?
Hostile dropping near your location.
How come there's no one here, man? I don't believe. There's probably someone here.
FYI, missions are up. Locator beacons are marked. Lock them down and calibrate their location.
Marking location for support.
Supply drop on the way. You've got the beacon. Now keep it slow. Moving too fast breaks the calibration.
I know, I know. I just need my loadout and then we're gonna push everyone.
Your mission complete. Keep punching hard out there.
10 seconds later, we're gonna be able to call our loadout.
Request overwatch. Grid as indicated.
I think there's no one here.
Roger. On the way.
No, there's no one.
Enemy has you on their radar. Cut off the signal by taking out their sensors. Target down. Stay alert. They're gonna come after you. Your current position's going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger. Good work. Cleared the objective and dumped the target on you.
No estás engañando, ¿no? Es la última lectura.
¿Eh?
Es la última que hiciste. ¿Dónde te ves el perfil?
You got a target-rich environment. Stay alert.
Esta es la... Vale, a ver, perfil. ¿Cómo es la cosa esta? Yo confío en ti, Sara.
Bueno, vale.
Porque si fuera tan fácil, ¿por qué no lo hiciste antes? Y me enfadas y yo tengo que reunirte. Pues muy bien, vale. Aparte ahora quiero que sabes, ¿vale? Vale, por fin. Primero tus deberes, después los demás. Tú si haces tus deberes, esto te ayuda a crecer, más lista, y después son amigos, ¿vale, amigo? Venga, toma. Sorry.
Nice work. Looks like you found some solid intel. Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing. You've got hostiles moving on your milcom. Dump them before they get there.
It's mine now.
That knocked out their comms. Nice work. You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
There was someone else. There were two guys, I swear. I heard one guy behind me.
Weapon drop coming in now. Do what you can with it.
Custom weapon crate marked. Request smoke at my grid point.
Okay, here it comes.
Needs immediate smoke cover.
Message received. Smoke is inbound. That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
Go away, man. Go away.
Marking location for support.
Roger that. Stand by. Burn line incoming. Clear out while you can.
This guy is probably waiting for me.
Check your missions. There's hostile surveillance equipment in your area. Take it out ASAP. Target down. Stay alert. They're gonna come after you. Good work. You cleared the objective and dumped the target on you.
Where the fuck are you, man? Oh my god. I don't understand, man. How the fuck? He killed me this fast.
In the fight. Nothing you can't handle.
I'll check this guy's weapon, man. What is this weapon? It's like M4 or something? He is fucking blind, but he destroyed me. There was a guy on the right side, he didn't see him. Look, he's still blind. Two guys in front of him. I can't believe this guy killed me like this, man. He has no aim. I can't believe this guy killed me this fast, man. There should have been something else. Like, I got shot by other guy as well. Maybe a sniper. This is where I died this fast? Probably, man. There is no way he can kill me this way, this fast. Or I died to someone else? Look at this guy.
Half the fight's behind you. Time to step it up.
What the fuck is going on? I swear I don't know who killed me, man. Who killed me? I wish I could see the guy who killed me right after I died. There is no damage logs or something? Like who killed me? How many people shoot me at that moment? This is stupid, man. I wish I could see who shot me at in the same time the last round. It just doesn't seems fine. The guy who killed me was so bad. How come he killed me this fast? Maybe I got shot by a sniper while he was shooting me. I don't know. That was so stupid. So many things were happening at the same time. Okay, where should we go? What's your favorite place, guys?
You are good to go to deploy. Call it. Enemy landing near you. They can pay. incoming. Check your briefing. Enemy is coming for the beacons. You can waste them or calibrate what they're going for.
Should I pick this or just wait the guy pick it and then kill him?
Hey, watch your pace. The calibration won't work if the beacon is moving too fast.
I understand. Okay, so we pick this and... What the fuck are you doing, man? How many people are around me?
Nice job. That's one beacon calibrated. Keep up the good work. Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
I'm gonna steal your stuff. Ooh, nice scam, man.
Overwatch. Great.
Oh my goodness. Good stuff.
Stand by. Listen up. Grab the explosives and use them to take out enemy comms.
Request smoke at my grid point.
Enemy landing near you. Make them pay. Roger. On the way. Toxic blades inbound. Watch your route.
Look at my face.
Mission failed. Now regroup and get set for the next stop.
Man, this is so much fun. I swear. Like,
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
love doing this kind of stuff. It's too fun.
Enemy has you on their radar. Cut off the signal by taking out their sensors. Target down, but stay alert. They're gonna come after you.
All right, we good. Ah! Why the fuck this weapon is single shot?
Get in on you now.
This guy was going on his way with the helicopter. Why do you fuck stuff in there? I have nothing, no armor, no anything. Okay, GG's. No problem. We continue with our grind. Pushing non-stop. Riding all around the map. No worries. Ay, ay, ay. Bam bada bam badam bam da dum dum. Okay, let's go. Let's continue. Hello guys. Do you play Battlefield? What's your favorite weapon? Let me know. SMGs or LMGs? What class do you play? I play support because I don't wanna be without ammo. Okay, it was fun, man. I'm really having so much fun playing Battlefield solos. I played a War Dogs game. I think it was fun, but Battlefield is just another level.
Approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area.
Approaching
so
the
expect
drop
any
zone.
resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good
Sure,
hunting.
senor, sure. Ah, this is my place. Let's go. Combat training. Please, guys, don't forget to like the stream if you enjoy watching Battlefield,
Clear to jump.
so I will know you like this game. If you don't like, just click on dislike.
Hey,
Pick this
big win
one.
with that intel. Keep it up.
I have a plan, okay? Don't go anywhere. I have a plan. Hi. That was a good grenade, huh, bro?
FYI, missions are up.
But I killed this guy. No, I'm not. I'm not there. I'm not there. I'm not there. Just don't spend your bullets. I'm gone. I need more ammo. I mean more blades.
Got a new mission ready.
Okay, let's go to our trolling spot.
Check your mission.
Oh, he sees me. He sees me.
New mission is up. Marked on your map.
Our spot was exposed, man. We're gonna wait him here. He doesn't know we left the position. Nice, we don't have our armor. We don't have armor, man.
Check your
I need to
mission.
go down.
That zone's heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
There's someone here. I heard footsteps. I believe in myself. In my ears. Maybe not.
Request Overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Roger that. Here it comes. Your location is heating up fast. You won't be safe there for long.
Where the fuck are you going, man? You have to go. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Make your way to that point.
This guy confused me. Ah, we're dead. We are so dead. No. No. Bye bye. I was confused already. Look, where the fuck is he going?
Stand by to jump
It
off.
was good.
Headed back in.
Exit was on the left side. If I didn't fight, I could easily go to the extraction point.
RV on that position.
Battlefield
Can we
is still
go there
crawling
and
with
get our
hostiles.
weapons,
Stay
man, at
alert.
least? We have time. If this guy's not camping there, we're good.
Reposition. Move now.
I don't like playing safe, man. I'm just going. I don't care.
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear. All right, your mission is up. It's marked on your map.
We don't like safe place. I think they know I'm here.
Heads up, you got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
I know there are someone here. Oh my goodness, how many people are here?
Needs immediate smoke cover.
Smoke on the way. Get ready.
Stop it, man.
Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the Inferno.
This is just so weird. Man, stop this, man. Stop this, man. Let me play.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it
All
up.
good. Really, I love it. I love this kind of this way of playing. It's fun. Everyone is playing like like rats in every corner. We are playing like heroes. Who cares? I'll be back.
Closing in on the drop zone. Now we need to find out what's going on, so keep comms open. You're cleared hot, so engage anything that moves. Go for deployment. Give him hell.
I'm back. Sorry, I wasn't here.
Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Goodbye.
There's hostile surveillance equipment in your area. Take it out ASAP.
Oh, I'm going already.
Enemy is gunning for you. Watch yourself.
Let them come.
Target down. Stay alert. They're gonna come out.
Request immediate support fire.
I read you. Here it comes.
It didn't destroy. Fucking bitch.
Was a no-go.
I'm coming for you. How he didn't die for my ult? For my airstrike?
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Move to that location. Found an open Vic.
Stop it, man.
Stay put if you don't mind toxic fallout. Otherwise, get a move on.
Ah! This fucking scary movie. They look like vampires.
Area marked. Need support ASAP.
Roger that. Stand by.
This is what you get when you push me.
No restrictions, clear's hot, sparkling now.
Roger. On the way. You've got a new mission on the way. Review your briefing. Enemy is taking over a beacon. Smoke them or get one calibrated before they do.
We got this.
Hey, watch your pace. The calibration won't work if the beacon is moving too fast.
Harrier Mark, send it.
Hey, Fern. On the way.
He's right above me. He's right above me.
You protected the beacon. Solid execution.
Where is my mission? GG's.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details. You are danger close to an airstrike. Clear out.
Love it.
I got enemy in sight!
Need more.
Enemy contacted my AO!
Where did this guy
Got
first?
a new mission for you. Details on your
I
map.
don't know where he is.
Let's rally on that RV point! Move!
I don't know where he is.
Got something over here!
Check your mission.
How many fucking guys are here?
That blaze is closing in. You don't have long to get clear.
New armor.
Mission board is clear. Neutralize threats and stay in the fight. Nothing you can't handle.
Oh no 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 no.
Anyone needs a rifle? Move to that location!
Okay, I love it. This is how you shoot, buddy.
Half the fight's behind you. Don't let up.
Request
Third line
FMV over my
incoming.
position.
Clear out while you can. Copy. Stand by.
Fuck.
Repair station marked! Make your way to that point!
Few left. It's down to you and one last enemy. Make sure you come out on top.
Sniper contact, stay low. Got eyes on a sniper, watch yourself. No restrictions, clear's hot. Sparkling now.
Understood. Triple firestorm is en route.
Does he know I'm here, man? He was very smart to drop the supply box. He had
It's
cover I
over.
didn't have.
Regroup for the next stop.
Jesus, man, well deserved. Well deserved.